Alright guys, so here we are at a Freeosk in a Walmart here in the Wally World. Kurt, they've got to download the app here, so he's got it downloaded. Yep. You had to create an account, right?
Kind of, sort of, I just put in my email, password, and my zip code.
Okay, gotcha. Alright, scan the phone. Alright.
Hi, treat your family to Rice Krispies Treats Mini Square. Crispy, marshmallowy, snacky colored snacks everyone loves. Would you like to try
And then just touch this.
You free me.
Free me.
Okay. Just a moment. Your sample's being dispensed. Look at that. Wait, how'd you get two? What?
Hey,
I only got one.
Hold on. And if you want them to stop sending you stuff, reply, stop.
Okay, cool.
But look at this. Hey, do we example?
Share the love, man.
Share
Give it to this. That was meant to be. This guy. This guy.